Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to After the Unboxing, where we discuss, review the pros and cons. Today, I'll be reviewing the Gucci Queercore. Let's go. So today, I'll be reviewing the Gucci Queercore, and this is the one with an open concept. So today, I'll be looking for the flaws, and also I'll be looking for the pros. So the pros and the cons. So I'll be starting off with the pros for today. In the pro for this video, the leather straps, they still hold up pretty well. There's no fading in the leather. There's no rips anywhere. The hardware are still pretty intact. Normally in most you'll find that the buckle right here tend to break. So everything looking good as it should. And when you put it on and you strap it in, this is how it looks when you strap it in. So when you put it on, this is how you have this open concept. So the leather is pretty much still in great condition. I don't see no form of cracking, which is a plus. I don't see no form of ripping. That's a plus. There are minimal creasing. That's a plus. The wear on the inside is pretty good. That's a plus. The Gucci signature B in the back. There's no frailing, no threads coming loose, nothing. That's a plus. Minimal scratch from wearing on the side where two heels will meet. Minimal, perfect. Perfect right there. On the front, there's minimal scarring to the bottom when you walk and you walk. So that's a plus. So I'm gonna go on to the cons that I see. The cons is just how the bottom wears. And if you look around here, you see how it wears unevenly due to the texture of the material. And you can look, you can see. There's no, I don't see no crackings, absolutely no cracks. The wear on the heel is pretty moderate. It's wears evenly pretty good. The wear in the bottom is pretty okay. I don't see no crackings and stuff like that. You know, they have the B in the bottom. All the studs are still there. I don't see anything missing. And remember, this shoe fit true to size. It fits true to size. So buy your right size. And the designs in the front here, the stills, I don't see no form of lifting. There's no threads lifting. There's no breakage, nothing. So overall, this is a pass. You can see the wear pattern here is pretty okay. The material that makes the shoe is generally the bottom soft. So, you know, you're gonna have that wear, you know, at the bottom. Well, at the heels here, you can see right here how the material wears. But overall, this here is a pass. So you have more pros than cons. So this is what it looks like with it being unbuckled. And this one here have a little bit of crease right here, not much. There's no fading whatsoever. There's no threads moving. There's minimal scratch. So the leather stays up pretty good. unlike others, you know, you find with a lot of cracks, a lot of wrinkles, you know, stuff like that, a lot of creasing. This don't have it. The bottom, the wear in the bottom, still pretty good. You can see how it holds up in terms of the condition it's been walked in, it's been worn in. So it stands up pretty good, you know. As I said, is fits true to size. So get your right size. And these are what the dust bag looks like. And they were pretty dust bag. These were some nice dust bags that they came in. So, you know. So as I said, today is another video of reviewing the Gucci Queercore. And I reviewed the pros and the cons. And there's more pros than actually cons. So this shoes is actually a pass, and it's after the unboxing, you know, where I review, you know, what it looks like now comparing to when it first bought it, unboxing, wear it. So this shoe's a pass. It still holds up, still looking good, still comfortable. Always enjoy wearing it. So as always, please like, share, subscribe. Anything in my video that you find that might be inaccurate, please comment about it, let me know. And this is a pass. This is a pass. And all shoes reviewed in my videos, they're worn, they're not new, and it's solely my opinion. So I want to say again, thank you for watching my videos, thank you for subscribing, thank you for your comments. So until next time, peace out. Thank you for watching.